G'day everybody, welcome to Vlogmas day 15. I have my cup of tea. It is much later in the morning, and before I get into anything else, I want to make an apology to a wonderful lady that I recently met through the Swap Share Sew challenge. So for those of you guys that watched my video yesterday, I called my swap buddy Sarah. So my brain had a typo glitch. It's never happened before, and I know you guys are really polite and say don't be so hard on yourself, it happens to everybody. I get that, but it just upsets me. And I know Sarah's name is not Sarah, it's Natalie. And so I'm so sorry, Natalie. So everybody else, Natalie is Natalie. Natalie is not Sarah, even though I accidentally called her Sarah. And again, if you'd like to check out her Etsy, she makes some absolutely beautiful creations that she sells. Again, I'll link Natalie's Etsy account again for you guys today. And yeah, I'm just so sorry. I am so sorry to Natalie. I think it was because I had like a million and one things buzzing around. My brain's been a bit all over the place at the moment with one thing and another. And I was also thinking of a lady that looks so much like Natalie, who is actually called Sarah, who actually makes crafts as well. But it's still unforgivable, so yeah, many apologies, and apologies also to you guys for I said Natalie's name wrong. Yeah, but that video's already gone out now, so I'm correcting it now. Yeah, I'll probably go back into yesterday's video as well and just put a little comment and correct it again there, because I don't want to take the video down, because you guys have already started commenting and I've replied. Yeah, so oh god, I feel an absolute idiot, a complete galah. I really do. I really do. So, but everything else is correct. But it's right, I know I'm smiling and laughing. I'm not laughing in any way to demean, I'm just nervous, okay? Yeah, so Natalie, definitely Natalie, and I knew Natalie was Natalie, so oh, I'm just so stupid. I'm so stupid. Okay, right, so today I really need to get on and start doing writing of my Chrissy cards to people. I don't know, it's not with what's going on in the world, but do you guys feel a little bit there this year? I don't know, I do. Well, to be fair, I do most years. Chrissy is not always something that I 100% look forward to. I'm not getting into what and why. I don't know. Also, I want to say thank you again to you guys for all the wonderful comments that you write, especially about TE, and I just can't believe he's growing up so quickly. And yes, he is a fantastic support, and you know, I don't want to paint a picture of everything, you know, it's happy and wonderful and rosy and things like that. He is an exceptionally well behaved boy, always has been, and for the most part if I do sort of tell him off, it's probably more to do with my fault and probably just frustrations within myself if I do something and it goes wrong. But yeah, just silly little things like, I don't know, if there's a couple of dishes, it's like, T.E., come on, you could just do the dishes for me off your own back without, you know, having the little hint. So, but no, for the most part he does, and whether I ask or he does it off his own back, does it really matter? He still does it, so bless him. Yeah, so I'm just so glad that I have my wonderful TE. Evening guys. Haven't really picked the camera up until about 15 minutes ago. Just lighting the fire for the kitties, of course, and just added a little bit of kitty happiness there. A little bit of cuteness overload. I have my cup of tea. And yeah, so just been kind of work, chores, life stuff day, and later on this hour I was just feeling so yeah, the day just kind of went, you know, when you get those days and then you feel that although you have done stuff, you don't feel that really anything has been achieved. Yeah, so that was my day today. So what I thought I would do is show you guys what was in this month's SewHayleyJane box. So if anybody does not want to spoil to see what's inside, then maybe skip the end of the video. And yeah, so yeah, let's dive in and see what we have for this month. I'll turn the camera around so then you guys can see. Righto, so starting off with Hayley's little book, and she's teamed up with the wonderful ladies from Crafty Sew and Sew, and yeah, so lots of fun. So just give you a quick sneak peek through some of the pages, not all of them, and yeah, always a wonderful read each and every month. Then we have the genuine thread. There is also a little treat. I believe this is something that you put on the side of your coffee, maybe tea cup. It's edible. My friend will eat that one. Then moving over to the fat quarters, and have this beautiful mustard with these stars on. I believe these are all cotton. They feel ever so soft. Then another starry cotton there in a pink. And then a duck egg colourway there, really pleasing to the eye, that colour. And anchors away, ahoy there. I'm pretty sure I have similar fabric somewhere in my collection. Then we have included in the classic box a pattern from the two lovely ladies at Crafty Sew and Sew, and to make your own PJ bottoms. I think that's the first time that a sewing pattern has been included in the classic box, at least since I have been receiving my monthly box of happiness. Yeah. Then 2.5 yards of this beautiful brushed cotton, and it is so super soft. And yeah, I have made a dress for you guys that follow me quite a lot in similar fabric to this. It was a poly cotton, I believe mine was. Yeah, the dress I made was a simplicity pattern. So, but these would be cool made up maybe even in some regular pants, maybe another dress, even PJs. Yeah, so lots of ideas for this fabric. So let me know if you guys have subscribed to this month's SewHayleyJane box and what you guys are going to make. Also there are, if I tip them out, some buttons there. So they're metal ones, and there we go. I think you can put your own fabric and cover them over, and then that's the little clasp that snaps into the back. I actually quite like them as is. Yeah, so another wonderful box this month, and lots of ideas whizzing around. Okay, just flip the camera back around again. Okay guys, so I think that is me finished now, and got a little pretty on my lap, and yeah, the guys are getting a little, furry friends are getting a little bit hungry now. It is almost their feed time, so they do start playing up just a little bit. So yeah, don't think I'm going to do that much later. See how I feel, and yeah, so I think that's it. I think I'm just going to feed these guys, chill out, maybe catch up on some YouTube videos, finish my tea. You know what it's like, you always make a cup of tea and then, or hot something, and kind of just gets left, and then by the time you go to drink it, it's cold. So okay guys, take care, stay safe, and see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.